Hey friends, are you a student looking to make some extra cash without dropping your GPA or burning out? You're in the right place. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of making real money online while you're still in school. Whether you have a couple of hours a day or not, I'm here to share some doable ideas that can help you earn some extra cash. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about online surveys. These are a great way to earn some extra money, and you can do them whenever you have a few minutes to spare. Just make sure to choose reputable survey sites to avoid any scams. Next, consider freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, there are plenty of platforms out there where you can offer your skills and get paid for your work. Lastly, don't forget about affiliate marketing. This is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products you believe in. Just make sure to choose products that are relevant to your audience and provide value to them. Remember, these ideas are just a starting point. With a little bit of effort and creativity, you can make real money online while you're still in school. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep hustling and stay positive. Today I'm going to show you how to make real money online while you're still in school. Even if you only have a couple of hours a day, no scams, no fluff, just real, doable ideas. Let's go. Visit my profile to get the latest tips.